Here's something I hear from a lot of editors. The actual editing is fine. What kills your momentum is everything around it. Need B-roll? Switch to a browser tab and dig through a stock site. Need to remove a background? Open yet another web tool. Need an upscale? Another tab. Before you've made your first cut, you've spent an hour managing tabs, downloads, and exports. And that's on a good day. On a bad day, one of those services is rate limited, asking you to log in again, or the export format doesn't match your timeline settings. Sound familiar? This is the friction that Higgsfield's new DaVinci Resolve plugin is designed to eliminate. Higgsfield took a different approach. Instead of building another web app you have to tab over to, they built a plugin that drops 7 AI tools directly into DaVinci Resolve. Generate video, generate image, AI LUT creator, reframe, remove background, draw to edit, and upscale. One installer, one panel, and every one of those tasks happens without leaving your timeline. No separate account, no browser window, no session break. I've been using it for the last few weeks across different project types. Here's what actually works. Installation is quick. Download the installer from the plugins page on the Higgsfield website, run it, open Resolve, go to Workspace, hover over Workflow Integrations, and click Higgsfield. The panel opens as a native extension inside Resolve. Not a browser tab, not a separate window, just another panel in your workspace alongside your inspector and effects. Everything lives there. Model selection, resolution settings, generation preferences, output destination. The whole experience is closer to opening a built-in Resolve panel than launching an external application. The requirement is Resolve Studio, version 19 or newer, on Windows or macOS. You open Resolve and the panel is there. Generate video replaces a whole workflow step. Need a cutaway for your talking head explainer? Traditionally, that's a stock site, a filter search, a download, an import, a trim, and a check to make sure the clip isn't too compressed. With the plugin, you describe what you want. A slow pan through a misty pine forest at dawn, handheld camera movement, and it generates a clip that drops straight into your media bin inside Resolve. You drag it onto the timeline and keep working. No tab, no download folder, no finding where the export ended up. You stay in the session and the cut keeps moving. Generate Image does the same thing for stills. Title cards, reference images for locations or products, backgrounds for lower thirds. Anything you'd pull from a stock library, you can now generate from a prompt. You pick the model per generation, whatever the shot calls for. The image lands in Resolve and you use it. For editors who work fast and can't afford to stop the session to hunt for assets, this changes the rhythm of a day more than you'd expect. Reframe is the tool editors keep recommending to each other. You finished a 16:9 interview cut, and now you need a vertical version for Instagram and TikTok, a square for LinkedIn, and a wider version for YouTube. Manually reframing each clip means cropping, repositioning the subject, checking the pan, and across a full project that adds up to real time. Reframe handles it in one click. It detects the subject in your clip and reframes it for whatever aspect ratio you choose: 9:16, 16:9, 1:1, 3:4, 21:9, or 4:3. You can override the focal point if it picked wrong. Just drag the crop window to wherever the subject should be centered. Most of the time, the first result is the one you use. The key difference from manual reframing is speed. What used to take 10 minutes per clip takes about 90 seconds with a review pass. For editors who regularly repurpose finished cuts across multiple platforms, this makes that workflow actually sustainable instead of being the task you keep putting off. Remove background is well executed and fast. You have footage shot without a green screen, location footage, a product on a cluttered desk, an interview in a room with a messy background. The plugin cuts out the background cleanly, including around hair and fine edges that used to require manual rotoscoping or a separate compositing application. The alpha channel it produces works directly in Resolve's Fusion page. No export pipeline, no tab over to a web tool, no re-importing. For creators who can't always control their shooting environment, this is the difference between a clean composite and one you have to work around or settle for less on. AI LUT Creator pulls from a different workflow. You find a look online, a film still, a reference photo with exactly the mood the project needs. Drop that reference into the plugin and it analyzes the tonal structure, where the shadows fall, how the highlights roll off, what the saturation curve looks like across the image. It builds a LUT that reconstructs that grade, not just approximates it. Starting from a better reference point means less trial and error across the color wheels, and more time spent refining a match rather than building one from scratch. For colorists who work with client references, this closes a gap that used to require a lot of back and forth. Draw to Edit is the most surgical tool in the 7. You have a shot with something that shouldn't be there, a boom mic that drifted into frame at the wrong moment, a passerby who walked through your background, a logo in the corner that wasn't in the brief. Open Draw to Edit, paint over the area you want to change, describe what should occupy that space instead, and the plugin in-paints it while preserving the rest of the clip. It handles additions too. Paint an area and ask it to add something that wasn't there. An object on a desk, a window that opens onto a view, a detail that makes the scene work. For shots that used to mean sending work out and waiting for a revision cycle, this cuts the turnaround down to minutes inside your current session. Upscale closes the set cleanly. You have old archive footage, a low-resolution web clip, or an asset that needs to sit in a high-quality timeline alongside proper camera footage. Basic upscaling softens everything. Edges get muddy, fine detail disappears, and the upscale itself becomes the visual problem you're trying to solve. The plugin's upscale preserves structural detail rather than just scaling pixels. Results hold up next to the higher quality footage around them, which is the standard that actually matters when you're finishing a project. All 7 tools come in a single installer. Reframe, remove background, upscale, draw to edit, edit video, and generate image. One download, one panel, no separate logins or subscriptions for each individual task. Resolve Studio, version 19 or newer, Windows or macOS. The plugin is free to try and the link is in the description. Spend 20 minutes with it, and you'll find the 2 or 3 tools that will actually change how you work day to day. Most editors who test it keep it installed. This is the kind of upgrade that pays off next time you open Resolve for a real project, not just in a demo.